following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Beaver, and Butler. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, north central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beaver Falls, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cranberry, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Beaver Falls, Monaca, Economy, New Brighton, Beaver, Baden, Zelienople, Rochester, and Evans City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.